Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be making our AI crew of characters, generating images based on their characters, and then we're going to be directing our own little video with those actual AI characters. We're even going to be doing a side-by-side comparison with the cloud-based generation with some local AI to see the difference in quality between the workstations online with a local setup with Macintosh Studios kind of situation. Actually, we were running on my MacBook Pro, the not even the M5, the M4 versus the Cloud. So this is Higgsfield AI. They got a suite. They pretty much just got like video generation, audio generation, character generation, image generation, or the kind of generations that you want. They even run contests as well, like AI influencers, apps. You know, they got too much stuff to go into. So I'm just going to go into Soulcast, and this one here allows you to build fully customizable AI actors from genre. Look at that. You can dress them up. It's like playing The Sims, except now you can actually make movies into The Sims. Actually, did you guys, anyone out there, you guys used to ever watch Machinima videos? I used to love that stuff. These guys, they would publish YouTube or just videos in general of their Sims characters wandering around, and they'd make little music videos for some heartwarming, heart-touching songs. Another ditch in the road. It was beautiful. Like, if anyone wants some links to some old classic Machinima, just let me know. There's some really, really good stuff. But anyway, back to this. We'll see if we can make a Machinima. I'm kind of inspired now. And you got the characters with deaths. So I'm going to build my actor. And here is craft your dream movie set. So you can choose, was it an action film, a comedy, a drama, a detective, romance, or sci-fi. You guys want a bit of fantasy. You know what? I've never made a generation with a dragon before. So I feel like doing a bit of dragons there. Maybe we can do a bit of a wow special. See what's going on. So generating my cast. I clicked fantasy. It's doing something. And it's just automatically making 5 characters for me. That was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Now, I did go ahead and I jumped in and chose fantasy. But you can actually set a budget for your cost, so you can have like a really expensive proper movie, and you can have a cheap as chips one. So I want a $10 million one because I can't even afford that. So am I dreaming with AI, or am I trying to inspire myself to get the real thing? So maybe I'm just preluding this, and then I'm going to be inspired, and then I'm going to actually do the thing. But I don't have 10 million still. Anyway, the era, what year? I want to do some dragon stuff in the year 2000. We're here in the year 2. Anyway, what kind of characters do we want? We got to have the magician, the rebel, the explorer, the hero. I've got to have the explorer, the identity, male or female, physical appearance. Oh, you got to have, what is it, Arnold Schwarzenegger's in there, facial scars, eye patch. So you can do all these different customizations for it. And the full generation was a bit too NSFW. I don't know what the dragons were doing. Higgsfield, what are you guys up to behind the scenes? At least they refunded me my credits. And we have made Daniel Mercer. That is a stocky explorer from the year 2000, and it's fantasy, and that's my character. And you can see he's got a front body, he's got a back body, I can get exclusive rights to this character. Is that right? So for $5, I'm going to get exclusive rights to the AI actor, claimed characters taken off the market, so no one else will be able to generate this character. That is a very, very interesting idea, actually. So if you're making a film, you can't be using other people's IP for only $5. That is pretty good. Now, what I want to see is we got some sort of character generation. Let's just see how the local AI compares. So I'm going to launch xCreate here. Era 2000s, genre fantasy. I've never tried this before. We're trying out the Flux 2 Clean Edition. So that's an open weight model. And yeah, maybe I should have said ultra realistic. Definitely still a good generation. Looks very, very close to the main man, except this is a cartoonish result and that one is a realistic result. So that's pretty close. But obviously you got the back shot, the front shot, and this is actual character you can actually utilize. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into Soul Cinema. And we're going to start creating, like, if you don't know Soul Cinema, look, it's got a nice little thing. You can make a tree, you can make highlights, You can make cinematic creativity. Look at all these angles. Is that Raphael Solano from Jane the Virgin? I swear it is. So the next step is I'm gonna click on this button and say use in cinema image, because we're gonna make this character do some cool stuff. So single images, character sheet. So I'm gonna use the character sheet so it has a good idea of the front, the back, and everything about it. And it's gonna create an image based on this character. So I'm gonna say battling a dragon. Boom, that'll be cool. I'm gonna make 4 generations just to get a breadth of the idea of going on. 2K, it's gonna cost me 8 credits. And we're gonna see my character come to life battling a dragon. And again, we're gonna continue this side-by-side comparison. Say battling a dragon. So again, we generated it locally now, except it still looks cartoonish, this result. And we can see the cloud version. It's got some sort of hero movie-esque. I love this character battling a dragon. I'm not sure I picked the right character for the scene. It looks a bit funny. It's cool though. This is an awesome picture. This is the picture that I love. I love this picture. This one's great. He's I don't know, he's gonna get burnt alive. I mean that's not, he doesn't have a shield. He's straight off the telly. He was surfing the couch, man. Oh, this is nicer. Look at that, he's wearing a suit of armor. So there's an enhancer, there's a relight, there's in painting. You can change the actual angle. So I'm gonna go into video now from image. I'm gonna switch over to video and I'm gonna add in a start frame. I'll start off with that one. I'll say tries to attack a dragon with a spear, only to find a suit of armor. And end frame, I'm going to make it end where he's actually wearing the suit of armor. So that way I've got some sort of nice flowing on generations. It's a multi-shot auto, and we can change the style. So this was a Western. We got suspense, we got spectacle, action. This one's got to be action. And you can choose movement. So you can have handheld, maybe I like handheld. You can have like different smoothing motions, and you can even change the beats of the tracks. So you can go in here and like you can change through these kind of speed ramps of the camera movements, and the duration I'm going to set it to 12 to get the longest shot. So I'm going to generate that. And so we've just made a character. We turned in some epic images. Oh, I got 4 generations going of that. So we've got 4 different options for this. Maybe that's a bit too much, but now I'm actually going to do the second generation, and I'll swap these images around now. Now that he's got his suit of armor, attacks and slays the dragon. And we can see these 4 are getting made, and this final one is getting made. And then we've got a whole movie we've just made. All right, so we have our generations ready. This is going to be fun. We got 4 of the base ones. Let's see. Hey, it did it. All right, that was a bit of fun. So the spear actually had the flames, but he did land into the armor, and he kind of put it on in an anamorphic kind of way. Let's see next one. All right, he kind of did it. That's all right. Okay, maybe he cast the magic spell. Maybe it's not a spear. Maybe it's a wand. That works for me. That last one, I'm happy with that one. I'm going to save that one. And we also have the finale, the second part of the battle. That was dramatic. It worked. He did it. He did it. The magic suit of armor. So as you can see, we have just made a brand new character who can star in every single scene. And what you might have not noticed is he pretty much looked the same in every single video generation. So keeping that consistency, we can actually continue this film. You can go home, get married to the princess, become the next king, and then another dragon comes, it slays him. Vengeance, the child of the dragon. We can pretty much just go off on one and have some fun. So let me know what kind of generations you guys are going to be making. What characters are you going to be getting? An exclusive $5 character? That's interesting times. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
No.
You're welcome.
No!